Welcome to another episode of the Scranline Every Day. I'm your host Nick McCreadys, and today I want to show you how to make the ultimate grilled cheese. The secret ingredient in this ultimate grilled cheese isn't just the cheese, it's the salted truffle butter. Completely optional, but totally worth it. The 3-cheese blend made of cheddar, mozzarella and gruyere cheese adds flavour, stretch and a sweet nuttiness that results in a cheese lover's dream. Let's begin with the cheeses. So again, we're going to be using tasty cheese or cheddar cheese, some mozzarella and some gruyere cheese. More on that a little bit later. Now with the bread, you can pretty much use any bread you like. I'm using run-of-the-mill sliced bread. It's a little bit pedestrian. You can go for something like a pâte di casa, which is a bit hardier, but this is what I'm going to be using today. If you're picking pre-sliced bread, make sure that the bread is thick. In Australia, it's called toast slice. With the butter, I'm going to be using truffle butter. If you've never had truffle before, it is so yum. It's not for everyone, but if you're not going to be using truffle butter, you could just use a really good quality, like maybe New Zealand salted butter, something that's really good quality. Because this recipe is so simple, it relies on really good quality ingredients. Let's begin making it. So you're going to butter both sides of your bread, and this recipe serves 4. With the cheese, you want to make sure you grate it yourself, because buying pre-grated or shredded cheese from a supermarket, it has additives in it to stop it from clumping together. So for this recipe, because you want to make it really indulgent, you want to make it kind of pure, and so grating or shredding your own cheese is the better option. Add those 3 cheeses to a bowl and just mix them together. On medium heat, you're going to add your first slice of bread. You want to get it nice and toasty and golden on one side, then flip it over and add a nice generous layer of cheese. Place another slice of toasted bread on top. I've just toasted the one side. Once the bottom of your sandwich is toasted, flip it over and toast it for a final time. The trick is medium heat, guys, because you don't want to burn the bread, but you want to give the cheese time to melt in the center. So let's just run through that again, because honestly, I could watch bread and cheese being toasted all day. Once it has been toasted, you want to serve this immediately. You don't want to wait, because the best part about this is that stretch, guys. And I didn't know how filming this was going to go. In fact, I made about 4 of these just so I could get that stretch shot. You can have this for breakfast, for lunch, it makes a delicious dinner. You can just have it as a snack as well. And that cheese inside is so yummy, it's sweet and sharp. If you want to grab the recipe, it's over on my website at scranline.com. Link for that is in the box below. If you're watching on Facebook, it's in the comments section. Thanks so much for joining me in my kitchen, and thanks for subscribing to my new channel if you already have. If you haven't, subscribing is free. Hit the like button because it helps the channel, and I'll see you all on the next episode of the Scranline Every Day.